Like, how is this going to untangle my hair though? Okay, let's just find out. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Curly91 and today I am going to be, kind of reviewing this. So this is the Remington hair detangler, electric detangler, and today I'm gonna see if this actually works. But I wanna compare it to Oh Faithful Denman Brush. So if you came to see a review on how this works and how it compares to the Denman Brush, then stay tuned. Hey guys, I just wanted to take a break to remind you that you can follow me on my handles at Curly91 and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button. Okay, so y'all, I had seen this electric detangler trending on my Instagram. I think her name is Harris Janae or something like that. I'll put her name somewhere down here. And I was like, oh, I want to try that. Let's see if that's going to make things easier. But let's talk about the mess under here. You know, this looks slick. You know, like I got a little thing going on in the back. You know, I'm rocking this, but the mess under this. So y'all, I've been rocking this scarf for like, 6 days now because I refuse to wash my hair and take out those, the flexi rod curls that I just made a video for. I will link it down in the description. And I refuse to take out the curls and wash out my hair. So let's see what's under this. Wait for it. Okay, so when I take this out, you're gonna see. So I brushed the front and clipped it. Y'all, I've been putting gel in my hair for the past 6 days. It's redonkulous. So let's take out the pins and I'm gonna show you the mess under here. So I brushed the front, but the back looks a hot mess. In the middle here, you can see that, there's remnants of curls. So you know what that means? Knots. And this is supposed to help detangle my hair. So we're gonna put it to the ultimate test today. Okay? The front hair is already brushed and has gel and stuff, so I'm just gonna clip that up. My hair is dry, really dry. So let's see if this can actually untangle my hair. Y'all, I'm so scared. Okay. So it comes with this cover, just so you know, that you can actually put on there. And as I said, I put the batteries in here already. So let's. Y'all, how is this going to untangle my hair though? Okay, let's just find out. Okay, so usually when I untangle my hair, and I never untangle my hair dry, so don't do this at home, okay? I go through the ends first, and then I make my way to the top. So let's go through the ends. I doing this wrong? Okay. Okay, I see you. Okay. Okay. Yo, that is dope. Okay, are you gonna get through this? Like, okay, so try and get through those curl tangles. It look a hot mess for you, boo. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, I see you. Y'all, it's very gentle, and as I said, I have like real knots in my hair from this curl, and it's actually like getting through some of that. You can see like at the ends it still has those knots, so let's see if it will get through that. Yo, you can feel the vibration all through your scalp though. That's mad funny. I still don't feel like my hair is being entangled. Like I feel like the ends are like still rough. I don't know. Let's see. Okay. Y'all, there's like not much hair coming out. Like you can't see it, but like there's not a lot of hair coming out. Let's pass my Denman brush to see if it gets through. Oh, so it was entangled. My hair just be dry. Okay. Okay, so it works on dry hair. Let's actually just try my Denman brush on a section dry. As I said, I don't do this for real. Like I don't like use my Denman brush on my dry hair. Never, sir. Oh, so like I feel like I can get through my tangles a lot faster. Look, the Denman brush is doing such a good job at like getting through those tangles a lot faster than this. Like, look, I'm done. Like it's done. It's over, sis. Like my Denman brush did that. You know what I mean? Like it gets through those tangles a lot faster. Does it have a lot of hair in there? Yeah. So my Denman brush, there's more hair in here. You know what? Let's just get into wetting my hair and putting my pre-poo on my hair, so it'll make the whole thing easier. Okay, first thing you're gonna do is we're gonna get our water bottle, our spray bottle. We're gonna just wet this baby up. Then we're gonna use the main choice pre-poo. It's the Herbal hair tonic and soy milk hydration pre-poo. I'm gonna use some of that. Y'all, this is heaven. Like I love this pre-poo. Like I absolutely love this pre-poo. It's so moisturizing. So this is the Denman brush. The first thing I do is I do the ends first. I untangle the ends first, and then I make my way up the shaft of my hair. So this is what I normally do, and I'm detangling. And work you have to put in on that Denman brush. Makes my hand, my bad hand, hurt me. And then, okay, so the Denman brush doesn't take that very long. Like, yeah, look, that was pretty good. Okay, so let's try this on wet hair. Okay. I will go through the ends first. And then we'll make our way to the top. Like, it's okay, but it's like not, it's taking so long.
Several days later.
Y'all, I feel like I hate to use this like a normal comb or a normal brush, because like, shit, it's taking so long. So I'm gonna just use it like I would use my brush and like see if that works. Okay, that's not bad. It moves better that way. I'm not gonna sit here and wait for this to like make it so way down my shaft. I'm so glad that I have short hair right now, because this is ridiculous. Okay, it untangles, it gets through the roots. It's good. And it's not as much tension as and there's like hair on here, but not as much as my Denman brush. I mean, just a little bit of hair is, you can't even see it, like. So which one do I actually think won this battle? I would say the Denman brush. So like, y'all, this is good old faithful. And I mean, apart from the fact that it rips out a lot of hair, I can get through my tangles a lot quicker with this. Like, I can get through my tangles a lot quicker with this. I have more control with this, and I just love it. I can get through tangles and knots on dry and wet hair. So I like this. I really love this. This is good old faithful. I'm sticking with this. This, however, if you're tender-headed, then I would say you can lean more towards this, but it takes way too long to get through my tangles. And I mean, you can do the combing motion with it and you'll get through your tangles a lot quicker. It's a lot more gentle on the hair. So I would say if you're tender-headed, then you may want to try this compared to this. But I'm going to stick with good old faithful, y'all. Good old faithful Denman brush. Okay. So that's my review on this, guys. So if you like this video and you want to see more like it from me, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down in the section and subscribe, boo. So it was nice doing this video for you guys. See you in the next one.